Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's look, I'm just gonna be doing almost a natural, a little bit kind of flirty makeup look. And this look is inspired by James Charles' everyday makeup looks because he has that flawless skin going on with almost a nude lip, or maybe if somebody wants to take it up a notch, they can just go around with a bold lip. The flirtiness of that look is when he adds those really pretty doll-like lashes, and that just enhances the look to a different level. So inspired by that, I'm doing this makeup look today. I'm gonna prime my face first with Nivea Men Aftershave Balm in Sensitive. As we want a flawless skin look, obviously we are going with color correctors, and we are going to go with a full face beat up because we want a flawless skin look. After color correcting, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild foundation today, and I'm gonna be using a regular foundation brush today. I have used a beauty blender, a silicone sponge, and brushes. I have used everything to blend out my foundation. I have seen that brushes give a more flawless and natural finish compared to a beauty blender. Only the foundation that is required to sit on your skin will sit on your skin if you use a beauty blender. It eats away some of the product, and brushes, they like roll over the foundation all over your face without eating away the product, but we want a completely flawless look. So I'm going to be using a beauty blender later on. And don't forget to blend the foundation evenly on your neck and on your ears too. So we have a damp beauty blender with us. What I'm going to do with the beauty blender is I'm just going to dab it lightly, just using very light pressure. You can't see it on camera, but if you see it in real life, it gives a more flawless skin finish. Next, I'm gonna be using this Fit Me concealer. Then set your whole face with powder, starting with the areas that you concealed. I'm using the Kryolan translucent powder, and if you have an oily T-zone like me, you should use a really good amount of powder to set your nose, the area around your lips, and your forehead, because you don't want to see people looking at you. You don't want people to see you with a crazy face. That's like the worst. Next, I'm gonna contour using contour palette by Wet n Wild. I'm gonna contour my double chin. After contouring, we are first going to blush. I got my hands on this Savannah blush palette. We want a natural flush of color. We are gonna go with these two colors right here. So start with a little and then build up. Now we are going with a flawless skin finish look, but I have just inhabited this habit of, you know, applying the blush on the center of my nose too, just a little bit. It gives me a more natural look, and I am always in for natural finish looks, so it's up to you. You can if you want, but I prefer to do it. After doing the blush, we are gonna bake the face. James Charles, what he does is that he takes the same damp beauty blender, yes, a damp wet beauty blender, damp beauty blender, and he takes the powder and then he bakes his face. What he says that is, by using a damp beauty blender, the powders melt seamlessly into your face as opposed to using a brush or a puff. And I'm gonna be baking this side of my face, a little bit on the bridge of my nose, and of course my under eyes. Okay, don't make your beauty blender as wet as you can, just a little damp, because it's eating away the product. Okay, I know it looks very gross, but I'm not getting the product that I should. Honestly, don't use a beauty blender when it comes to baking your the bridge of your nose and your under eyes, because it's not working. Just use a powder puff or a brush. So I have already concealed and powdered my eyes, and I'm gonna go with this Kylie Cosmetics Royal peach palette. I want a very neutral eye makeup look. If it's an everyday makeup look, I want it to be neutral as possible. Yeah. I'm gonna be using this color right here. Mix it with this, applying it on my crease and gently dragging it down on my lid as well. You want more attention. You want more attention to be attracted to your lashes more than your eyes, so I would prefer to go with a more neutral eye look. We are gonna be using this shade right here, a little bit above the crease area, just to give it that definition. I'm going to be applying this shade only on the outer this area. We are not going inside, only on the outside, and dragging it up a little bit, just like you do with your contour shade. Get rid of the baking of my under eyes first, and then I'm gonna do warm up my under eyes or whatever. First I'm gonna start with this here, right here, and then just like touch it once, go underneath the color which you applied right now, mostly on the outer half. Next I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. One eye of her. What? Today I'll be using Colossal Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. A tip: you can fix any mascara mistake, especially mascara mistake. So any mascara, especially mascara mistake, with an earbud. So always keep them with you in your makeup stash. Before applying my fake lashes, I'm gonna go with a white eyeliner pencil. I'm gonna put it on the lower waterline. After waiting for like 5 minutes, my eyes still a little watery, so I'm gonna give them a break, and before applying the fake lashes, I'm gonna go in with my eyebrows. I am using this new Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil in black. So today we are gonna try it on ourselves and see how it works for us, for me. Okay, first of all, the pigmentation is everything. Now that my eyes are not watering anymore, these are the lashes I'm gonna go in with today. Pack M72 Mink lashes. Okay, these lashes look amazing, and what I like more about these lashes is that they have a thick band, so it gives an illusion that you have already applied eyeliner, so you are safe from the toughest job in your whole makeup routine, which is eyeliner. Now we are gonna go in with lips, and I'm applying this Colourpop Ultra Matte lip in the shade Sunday thing.
In this first date collection set, there's like 5 mini lip.
What am I even saying?
There are 5 mini lip.
So I got this lippy in this first date mini ultra matte lip collection. So it has like 5 shades in it. Now that lips are done, I have my highlighter palette with me. It's the same palette which I use every time. The Makeup Revolution Pro Glow 2 highlighter. So as soon as I'm done with my setting spray, I can just go in with my highlighter. So quickly just grab my highlighter brush and make me glow on my brow bone as well. That glow is blinding. I like it. Wow. Lastly, on the inner corner of my eye, I'm just making my eyes pop. Only thing left is my hair. I like it this way, but maybe we can switch it up a little bit. So this is the finished look. I always wear my hair down like this, so that's what I've done right now. And this look is wearable for like an everyday makeup look because the eyes are very light And the lips are also neutral. You can obviously play around with whatever color of lips you choose. The lashes are obviously the attraction of this whole makeup look. The skin looks flawless, the contour looks good, the blush looks good, everything looks amazing. The highlighter is popping as always. You can call it a James Charles inspired makeup look, and I'll probably see you guys in my next video. Doodles!